I had the same reaction when I did this eye, but holy pigment. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today is a fun video. I'm trying out some shadows that are brand new. And oh my gosh, when I say pigmented, these are insane. These are insane. So this is from a new brand called, I hope I'm pronouncing this right, Halcyon Cosmetics. And they sent me some of their new launch shadows, new brand launch. And I am blown away at how beautiful these are. Now, there is 11 single shadows as of right now. I did put them in a magnetic palette for you guys. I removed all my other shadows so you don't get distracted. But oh, that would have been terrible. So they are really beautiful. They are so scrumptious for fall. Now, I am going to show you some swatches of these because I need you guys to see this pigment. I'm not just going to show them to you on my fingers though. I'm going to actually like swatch them for you guys on my arms so you can see how ridiculous this is. I have nothing on my arm, by the way. No lotion, no primer, no nothing. It's just dry skin that probably should be moisturized. But let's just go over these. They do sell bundles of these shadows for a really affordable price, but they also have the entire set for, I believe it's $55, and I'm not sure if there's a sale going on or not. I believe there is, but you could probably even get that for cheaper now. But let me show you guys. I want to swatch every single one. I'm gonna go ahead and do whiteout. Oh my, and these are so soft. Okay, have you guys ever seen tones like these before? This is like the darkest, deepest, richest brown ever. This is almost like a taupey dark gray. I'm gonna go ahead and do this one, which is Chelsea. So we're gonna do Chelsea. I wanna do this blue, you guys. It's amazing. Lucid Dreamer. And do you guys wanna see a shimmer? Well, I have a white, but let's do this one right here. I believe this is Steampunk, yeah. Let's do this beautiful rich gray. These are so gorgeous for fall, you guys. So let me show you these swatches. Okay, how do I do this? Let's do it this way. All right. Holy cow. Look at that. I'm wearing whiteout here. I'm actually wearing all these like darker gray tones. Okay, here is this. Oh my gosh. It's so, look at that color. It is such a beautiful color. I don't have anything like this in my collection. Whoops. Oh my gosh. Did you see that? All right, here is that beautiful blue. Oh my gosh. You guys, these are incredible. And this is Steampunk. These are incredibly gorgeous, you guys. I have never loved a matte formula more. I don't think ever. Like, these are incredible. Okay, that's enough about me saying they're incredible. So here is some product shots. Their aesthetic is very like luxe and sophisticated, and their emblem is like this little gold lion. So I really kind of went with that plus fall, and I'm absolutely in love. If you guys can hear that tapping, there is a damn fly. I will have all three looks so you guys can go to, you know, whatever look you want. I tried to create different themes each time. Let me know which look you guys like the best. And I hope you guys enjoy this video because I am obsessed with these shadows, you guys. Obsessed. Alright you guys, here is the first look. It's very fall vibey. I don't know how I'm gonna get this out of my hair. I mean, it's like just kind of chilling there. It's okay, we'll figure it out later. I was super inspired by these beautiful fall colors, and they are ridiculously pigmented, you guys. It's this pigment is absolutely insane. I did not use blush or highlight this time because I just really wanted to focus all on this fun thing right here. But I did use Vignette from ColourPop, which is, oh god, this color. This color is live. Ah, I love this color. And then for the glitter, I did use Urban Decay Starfire, their heavy metal glitter liner, and Toasty, which is from Midas Cosmetics. And anything Midas, you can use my code as I drop it. It is Keara. But let's go ahead and move on to the second look now. Okay, so for this look, I went ahead and used the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in the color Crystal High. This is kind of like a Super Shock formula, so you have to blend it in with your finger. And then I went ahead and used Milani's blush in Blossom Time Rose, and it's just a really pretty soft pink. And then for lips, I went in with Flower Beauty. Oh, all of this is drugstore. I just realized that. And this is in the color Spiced Petal. It's a really beautiful, just peachy pink kind of nude. And for my lashes, I went in with KP Cosmetics, and these are the style Oracle. Look at these, you guys. These are absolutely gigantic. They're huge. I love them. They're beautiful. So that is all I have for this look, you guys. Let's move on to the next one. Alright, I am going to blend this a little bit more and then I'm going to cut my crease and I'll be right back. My fan's on, but this white is absolutely insanely gorgeous, you guys. This is probably, no it is, this is the most beautiful shimmery white I have in my entire collection. So I added diamond dust to the center of my lid, so let me go over real quick what I used for the rest of my face. I did get a brand new one of these from Ofra because my Ipsy one broke. So I did use this for the blush and the highlight, and it is really beautiful. It's very soft, subtle, romantic. I went real bold with the lipstick, went in with ColourPop I Love Sarai, and this is Mamacita. So it's a really rich, vampy red. It does leave a pretty significant butthole, but whatever. I went in with Silver Lining from Suva Beauty lipstick, and this is just a really beautiful silver. So you guys, that is all the looks. Let me know which one is your favorite, and that's all I have for you guys. I will see you in my next one. Bye! My fingernails. So I'm gonna go ahead and, whoop. Yeah. What is that? Why are you flying around my soft boxes? Go away, whatever you are. That's gonna be fun. We're not gonna go there. It's not important right now. Just ignore the, so, Mega Glow highlighting powder. It was